My name is Sue Kim. I'm the color marketing manager for Minwax. I'm very happy to be here to announce Minwax 2022 Color of the Year, Gentle Olive. Gentle Olive is perfect color of the year because it creates our home as a sanctuary. I really love Gentle Olive because it has the great balance of renewing green and also touch of gray that makes it really timeless. So Gentle Olive works really well with currently trending Japandi style. It's a combination of Japanese style and also Scandinavian style, really focused on simplicity at home. But what's very important is that this Japandi style embraces wood so well. So when you introduce a color like Gentle Olive, it brings out the natural tone. Gentle Olive is a perfect color to bring home because it really resonates with our wellness and health at home through the connection to nature. Let's unlock the possibilities that the color of the year can have for your next project.